Hi, my name is Dee Dee. You're now listening to my dad, LaRue, and this is his second album called My Life, My Passion, My Love, My Reality.
Your boy is back up in the building.
They call me Uconn Black. So that's an acronym, universally connecting on numerous networks because life ain't cheap. Feel me? So that means me and my Huskies grind hard, many avenues. So I'm gonna start this joint with my Long Live the Kid. Long Live the Kid is a little story about me growing up, who I am. Yeah! We merge like spring next time, baby. I love it. Long live the kid like me. You too. You too. Original. You gotta rock with me, man. Rock with it. I came a long way. Let's rock with it. My mom's was a southern tale. Pops was a cotton picker. Showed me how to play the field and be a cocky nigga. School getter in jail. A few options, nigga. I was optimistic. I thought not to listen. Staring out the window without a pot to piss in. So I threw school out the window, had a lot to get it. I stole the car, so I leave at lunch. Now I'm rolling with the bronze, smoking weed and dust. Now I'm driving in the four-door tours. Me and my man riding with these four-shore whores. And I'm high. I can go 4 more stores. Let's do it tours. You chores like corner stores. Watch out, got some more chords. You're getting robbed. So I got the 444. It's the job doer. Can't stop a crowd mover. Why you pull it out while I shoot it? Ow! Clark's original. I'm filled with principles. Play the part of principal. Taking men to school. Getting school traditional. It's not municipal. Not get rid of you. You finish what you do. So long live the, and long live the kid like me. Long live the kid like me. You gotta rock. You gotta rock with the chosen. Rock. We just did credit on the late night of iron and crack fiends. High-end taxi, they carrying glass screens. They just stole from Cabin TV. Out in the street, shopping carrots, buying CDs. DVD players, 2 laptops. They running through the hood, negotiating for crack rocks. They so good. And since the product is hot, I might rob them. And then they might send to the cops. I got problems. As a grown man, I was hungry as hell. I took the chance with the matter in my own hands. He had no chance, and it was shown, man. But in both ways, eye level was my own stance. It was a hurricane, and it was worth the price. 4,500 for a stolen thing, merchandise. Me and my man tipping on the planned missions here. Kicking L, man, reaction when the man came. Long live the kid like me. Long live the kid like me. You gotta rock. You gotta rock with the chosen. Rock. You gotta rock with Justin Bieber. Yeah. Oh, you gotta give credit to the band, man. Yes, I love this. Long live the kid like me, long live the kid like you too. Live your life the best way you can. Let's go. I'm going on to my next thing. This is the anthem in my state. This is called Uconn. Uconn anthem. Let's go. Yes, shout out to you.
Your boy is back up in the building.